This is what Chinese spinach looks like once it's fully grown, also known as lai. Okay, so hopefully we'll get lots of this growing in this patch that I've just sown the seeds in. These leaves can be used in curries, in stews. They can be added to salads. Lovely flavour, lovely taste, and easily grown. You can grow them anywhere. As you can see, I've grown some in this bucket, and I've just shown you how to grow these in a larger patch. We use them all the time. We have it with fish, with meat. Delicious, really. Got a lovely smell to it, lovely aroma. Yeah, Chinese spinach, also known as lai. I've also got some Chinese spinach growing here, as you can see, lots and lots of them just growing all over the place, ready to be harvested almost. These leaves are nice and large, nice and healthy. That's right next to the honeyberry bush there, which is still small. There's no honeyberries on there, but they've grown right next to the honeyberry bush. So I'm going to leave them, and once they grow large enough, start using them in our cooking. Fantastic vegetable to grow, easily maintained. You just need to water it a little bit, and that's it.